Hi guys, firstly click on my channel and then click on edit link followed by customize channel and then scroll down. Next, click on the add button. And next, copy your Facebook link or URL. Next, input the title, Facebook or anything that your Facebook page is representing. I'm gonna type in photography. Next, paste the link. Next, click on the photography icon, Facebook photography icon, and it should bring you to the Facebook photography page. Alright guys, here we have it. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more videos.
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.